So everyone, take a white sheet and draw the circle like this using red pen and then draw the face of it like this. Now after that, we'll be drawing the yellow lines on the sides like this and then make its tail as shown in the video. Now make the lines over it like this and then make a circle around it using green marker like this as shown in the video and color it as shown here. Now after that, draw the yellow color lines on the sides of it like this and fill it with the white patterns using white color and then it's done. Next, take a white sheet and then draw the trunk of the elephant and then we'll be making its face. Make its eyes and then we'll be drawing the lines to make its ears. Now make its trunk like this and then make its body. Now after that, draw its legs like this as shown in the video. Make its hands and then color it as per your choice using different colors and your cute elephant is ready. Next, we'll be tearing the circles like this on the white sheet and then draw the lines like this. Make its ears on the top and then make its face like this by drawing the nose. Make its body using green marker like this. Color it as shown in the video and your snake is ready. I hope you liked it. You can fill the patterns on the back of it like this using orange and yellow color. Draw the lines on its back like this. Put some patterns on its body with black marker and draw its legs and it's done. Next, write S 2 times and then a B and the inverted B. Now draw the ears of the kitty, make its eyes, nose and mouth like this. Now we'll be completing its body by drawing the tail on the back, color it and it's done. Next, we'll be drawing the ears like this and then make its face. Now complete its body and then make its legs. So now you have understood that we are making a frog. Complete its legs like this and make its eyes, nose and mouth and then color it with the green color as per your choice and your frog is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white sheet and draw the semicircle like this and then join them as shown in the video. Make its ears and then join the lines. Make its tail on the back. Make the face of the kitty. Draw its eyes, nose and mouth. Make some patterns on its body and fill it with the black marker. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. You can color the kitty if you want, otherwise it's done. Next, write 2S like this and draw the lines. Now an inverted B and a B. Now make the ears of it and the eyes, nose and mouth of the bunny. Make its cute tail on the back like this. Make its eyes and again we'll be making the other one like this. Make its tail and then color it like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be writing the digit 5 like this and then join the lines. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its ears and complete its body. Make its tail and make the patterns inside its body like this if you want or color it with the blue color like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a mouse. So make a oval-like shape and then make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its ears and then complete its body by drawing the lines like this as shown in the video. Now after that, we'll be drawing the legs and hands of it like this. Now after that, we'll be coloring it and it's done. Next, we'll be making a bunny. So draw the ears, face of it, make its eyes, nose and mouth, make its legs and make a carrot in its hand and color it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.